What's up, guys? It's Matthew Neer, and welcome to Operation 10K Las Vegas. If you made it here to this page today, I am really excited for you because you're about to get the inside scoop, the tactics and the methods revealed behind how I and my partner Desmond are earning over $10,000 per month on the internet, doing nothing more than uploading a few simple files to a few secret websites and allowing them to sit there and generate us passive income over and over again, build us email lists, and generate free traffic that allows us to earn affiliate commissions. And what I want to do right now is log into one of my affiliate accounts live on camera and show you what these campaigns have been able to earn me after Desmond showed them to me. So let's jump over here to the iPad, and I'm going to log in live and show you what I've been able to do with this. Okay, so here we are on the Warrior Plus account. We sign in and show you live exactly what these campaigns have been able to do for me. And we log into my account now and click on the Affiliates tab, and you can see my earnings live. So as you can see here, today I made $653.30, and yesterday I made $598.44. And again, the way I did this was just from implementing these campaigns and allowing them to generate me free traffic and earn me passive affiliate commissions over and over again. I did the work once, and now they sit here and continue to earn for me until I decide to turn them off. And again, these are campaigns that I set up one time. The free traffic comes in because of the places we put the campaigns, and they now are earning me passive affiliate income day in and day out without doing any of the work. I did the work once, and it continues to earn for me over and over again. And what I want to do right now is actually introduce you to Desmond. He's coming in, flying all the way from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, to Affiliate Summit to teach you guys exactly how to do a campaign like this and how you can implement it in your business. So he should be arriving any minute now to the airport. Let's go see if we can pick him up. Come on. Desmond, so you've been killing it with these campaigns, bro, and would you be down to show us something? Well, first of all, show us how to do one, but before we do that, would you show us like maybe a really good result of something you've been able to achieve with this method?
Yeah, sure, man. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to turn on my screen cam so everyone at home can see this too. So give me just 1 second. Hi, before we begin, let me just quickly introduce myself. My name is Desmond Ong here. I'm the best-selling author of the book Against All Odds, and it is actually a real book that you can find in a bookstore. It's not one of those Kindle books or ebooks. It's a proper book. Okay, as you can see, that is my hand holding the book. Now, really, my life has really changed thanks to what I'm about to show you in this video. The fact is that the campaigns that I'm about to introduce to you has really given me the lifestyle that I could only dream of. For example, I'm invited all the time to speak on stage to share information about internet marketing, digital media, and how to make money online effectively, right? And that has given me the ability to really buy the things that I want in my life. For example, a car that I really want to drive, okay? Being able to travel all the time. This is a picture of me taken in Venice, Italy. This is a picture of me taken in Florence, Rome, okay? This is a picture of me taken in Vatican City, in Rome. Beautiful, beautiful place. Again, another picture of me being invited to speak on stage. This is a picture taken I took myself when I was on stage. And this is a picture of me in front of the Colosseum in Rome. And this is a picture of me in front of the beach in La Jolla, San Diego. You know, we gotta go to the beach when you make some money. It's one of the best places to visit, just to relax your mind. And this is a really, really beautiful shot of me in Brooklyn, New York. Another picture of me in Tokyo, Japan. Picture of me in Taipei, Taiwan, and a picture of me in Las Vegas, Nevada. Alright, now, what I'm going to do right now is to show you some proper proof of my accounts on the networks that I'm making money on. Okay, let me just show you real quick. This is ClickBank right here, as you can see. Okay, ClickBank, and we're averaging about $1,300 to $1,400 ever since we launched this brand new campaign. As you can see here, it's a really fresh, brand new campaign, nothing below this. We just launched this on March 7th. As you can see, on March 9th and March 8th, we are averaging about $1,300 every single day doing this. Okay, and the best part is that once we upload the campaigns, I haven't really touched it since March 7th. Okay, and I want to show you more proofs that this can work for you. Here's another account, JVZoo account, $500 in the past 2 days, actually less than 2 days, actually about 1 day, less than 1 day, I would make about $500. And here's another one here. We ramp out the campaign from $6.60 all the way to $2.68. Now this is all very achievable, and this is what we call multiple streams of income, because you have income from ClickBank, income from JVZoo, income from Warrior Plus, all the money coming in making you loads and loads of money.
Wow, that's really amazing, man. So, how long would you say it takes to implement a new campaign like this to make that kind of money? How much time are you spending per day?
Well, you're probably going to be spending like 1 hour or so just
Really?
running an entire business. What you need to do is just really just send emails. And you probably spend most of the time just refreshing your account, just looking at the new commissions that come in every single time you refresh your account.
Okay, so this is a brand new campaign, right? What does it take to run a campaign like this if I was just getting started?
Well, this is the most beautiful thing about this kind of campaigns. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need any internet marketing experience. You just need to follow a very simple 4-step formula, and you execute the 4 steps, and you're going to see results like this. Really that simple, Matt.
Now, if I'm hearing you correctly, man, you're saying that we could do this even if someone's brand new, so that they don't need to have any experience, no tech skills, and they'll be able to do this their first time.
Yeah, really all you need is computer and internet. That's it. Just 2 things in order for you to see results like what we've just shown you.
Would you be able to show us how to set up a campaign real quick, right here on the spot?
Yeah, sure. That's why we're here. Well, but we gotta hurry up because we gotta